Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'll discuss about a multiple choice question and its solution from the chapter Chemical Equilibrium related to the NEET or Joint Entrance Examination. In the question, it is said for the reaction 2A is in equilibrium with B and C has the equilibrium constant Kc value 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. At a given time, the composition of the reaction is the concentrations of A, B, and C are given and are equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar. Then which of the following is correct? There are four options given and we need to choose any one of the options. Let's try to solve this problem. To solve this problem, we need to know about the reaction coefficient, which is abbreviated by QC, and it is calculated using the same expression as the equilibrium constant Kc, but with concentrations that are not necessarily at equilibrium. Means the expression for QC and Kc are same, but the concentrations and at equilibrium are used for calculation of Kc, but concentration at any time can be used to determine the QC value. And once we know the QC, from there we can determine in which way the reaction will proceed. Okay, how? If QC is equal to Kc, we can say the reaction is at equilibrium. But if QC is less than Kc, then the reaction will shift to the right, okay, to reach the equilibrium. And number 3, if QC is greater than Kc, then the reaction will shift to the left, means backward direction, to reach the equilibrium. Now let us consider the given reaction, that is 2A equilibrium to B plus C, and the concentrations are given like this. So QC will be concentration of B into concentration of C divided by concentration of air whole square. So if we put the concentrations value, then it will be like this. On solving this, we'll get QC equal to 1. Okay, probably you can remember in the question the value of Kc was given like this, 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. So we have just calculated QC value is equal to 1. So QC is much greater than Kc value. Okay, so as we have shown three criteria, in that case the number 3 criteria is matching here. So we can say therefore the reaction will shift to the left, that is the reaction will have a tendency to go backward to reach the equilibrium. Okay, now let us check the options given in the question. First one is the reaction is at equilibrium, which is not correct because for that QC must be equal to Kc. Number 2, reaction has a tendency to go in forward direction. This is also not correct because in that case QC should be less than Kc. And number 3, reaction has a tendency to go in backward direction. For that we need QC greater than Kc, and we are getting that QC is greater than Kc. So number 3 option will be the right option out of these 4 options. So correct answer is number 3. Okay, thank you all for watching my videos.